The Code of Conduct Bureau (CCB) has organized an awareness workshop on the Code of Conduct for senior public officers of the National Bureau of Statistics (NBS) in Abuja. In his address, Professor Mohammed Issa, chairman of the Bureau (CCB), who was represented by Professor Samuel Ogindare, Federal Commissioner in the Bureau, urged the participants to discharge their duties effectively, efficiently, and with high level of integrity.
The Code of Conduct has the mandate to establish and maintain high standard of public morality in the conduct of government business. And we are charged to ensure that in the business of government, public officers maintain high level of morality and accountability. That shows that our clients are essentially the public officers. And public officers, by definition, anybody who is making his living, who is taking salary from government covers is a public officer. From Mr. President to any lower level that we can imagine, even in the local government. So, for us as a Code of Conduct, our clients are not less than 10 million, given all the public officers that we have in the Federation, including those that are in the forces and the paramilitary, local government, state officers, elected officers, as well as appointed officers.
Statistician General of the Federation and Chief Executive Officer of the NBS urged the participants to abide by the Code of Conduct for public officers.
Declaring your assets helps to a greater extent to ensure the raising of standard and indeed morality as well as accountability in the public service. So it is important that as a bureau that is charged with the responsibility of producing statistics that are to be used for planning and policy making process, that we also play a role in ensuring that service delivery is carried out as it should. And the only way that services could be carried out as they should is by ensuring that resources made available by government are properly put into use and then accounted for at the end of the day, so that the resources will be seen to be impacting on the system. And when they impact on the system, then everybody will be happy belonging to that system, and indeed everybody will be happy delivering his or her services, and that way the system will grow, and that way will have been promoting the integrity of that system.
Mr. Biyi Fafumi, a participant in the workshop and the Director, Information and Communication Technology Department (NBS), said the workshop had exposed them to understand the responsibilities expected of public officers.
As a public servant, we need to understand some of our limits, because there are ethics and rules in government, so that we will not violate that, we will not go beyond that, so that it will not land any one of us into any trouble, either now or in future. We'll be able to also scale down the training to our subordinates in the department and also in the bureau as a general.